What's up everyone? My name is Bigtimegolden, and this is Ed Sheeran Photograph. Loving can hurt, loving can hurt sometimes, but it's only the one thing I know. When it gets hard, you know it gets hard sometimes. It's only the one thing that makes us feel alive. Why you keep this love in the photograph? We keep memories for ourselves. Your hearts are never done. Your heart's never broken. Time forever frozen. Oh, so you can keep me in your pocket of your ripped jeans. Hard to be closer than your eyes meet. We can never be alone. Wait for you to come home. Loving can heal, loving our mind and soul. There's only the one thing I have to know. I swear it gets easier. Remember that every piece of you is the only thing take us with until we die. Well, we can keep this love in a photograph. We can make these memories for ourselves. Well, eyes are never doing, our hearts keep on broken. Time's forever frozen off. So you can keep me in your pocket of your ripped jeans. So you can never be alone. Wait for me to come home. And if you hurt me, that's okay, we only a walk, bleed inside the pages. You can hold me, and you wonder where I wanna go. Wait for me when you come home. Wait for me to 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 come home, so you can keep me inside your pocket of your ripped jeans when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat, we should be keep doing in the deep far will. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in the next one, and stay golden.